Hello students, welcome back. It's Lakshmi's Learning app. Welcome back students. Let's keep learning. ഇന്ന് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസിൻ്റെ എക്സസൈസ് 7.4 ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's begin. So first question is what? Exercise 7.4, first question. Write the shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign between the fractions. So I'm not drawing the figure. I will show it here. ഇതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ കിടക്കുന്ന ഫിഗർ കേട്ടോ. So 3/8, 6/8, 4/8, 4/8, then 1/8. So you have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order, how will we arrange? Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is 1/8, 3/8, 4/8, 6/8. 1/8, 3/8, 4/8 and 6/8. Next is descending order, 6/8, 4/8, 3/8 and 1/8. Okay, these are the ascending and descending orders. Okay, next is the B question. Eight by 9, fraction ആണ് കേട്ടോ ആദ്യം എഴുതുന്നത്. 4/9, 3/9 and 6/9. So first we will arrange them in ascending order. So first we will arrange them in ascending order and descending order. First is ascending order. 3/9, 4/9, 6/9 and 8/9. Descending order, we want to use the signs here. Okay, that is these signs. Descending order, 8/9, 6/9, 4/9 and 3/9. These are the ascending and descending orders. Okay, so moving on to the C question. A and B questions we completed. C questions from it. Show 2/6, 4/6, 8/6 and 6/6 on the number line. Put proper appropriate signs between the fractions given. Okay, first we will do number line and represent them. Zero, 6 ആണ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ. അപ്പോൾ 1/6, 2/6, 4/6, 5/6 and 6/6. 7/6, 8/6, 9/6. So നമുക്ക് represent ചെയ്യാം. First is 2/6, 2/6, 4/6, 8/6, 6/6. So you have to mark appropriate signs ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? 5/6 and 2/6. Next question is 3/6 and 0. Next question is 1/6 and 6/6. നമുക്ക് ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാം. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കൂടെ ഉണ്ട്. We will answer it. First we are answering these questions. 5/6 ആണോ 2/6 ആണോ വലുത്? 5/6 ആണ്. Then 3/6 or 0? 3/6. Next 1/6 or 6/6? 6/6. Next question is, I will write the next question here. Next question is 8/6 and 5/6. 8/6 and 5/6. ഇതിൽ ഏതാണ്? 8/6 is bigger. Okay, 8/6 is the bigger one. Mark it with different colors so you can easily understand it. Okay, these are the answers of the C question. Moving on to the second question. So നമ്മൾ സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാണ്. എക്സസൈസ് 7.4 നമ്മൾ തുടങ്ങിയിരുന്നു. സെക്ഷനിലെ സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. കമ്പയർ ദ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആൻഡ് പുട്ട് ആൻ അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് സൈൻ. കമ്പയർ ദ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആൻഡ് പുട്ട് അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് സൈൻസ്. സോ എ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3/6, 5/6. Which one? It is like fractions. Both of them are like fractions. അപ്പൊ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ ഏതാണ് വലുത്? 5. അപ്പൊ ഇതിന് നേരെ ആയിരിക്കണം വാതുറന്നിരിക്കേണ്ടത് 5. This is the answer. Next, B question, that 1/7 and 1/4. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് രണ്ടും രണ്ട് denominators ആണ്. But numerators are equal. When numerators are equal, what do we want to do? This bigger denominator is having the smaller value. Bigger denominator narikku smaller value. So which one is greater? 1/4. Okay. Next, C question. C question is 4/5 and 5/5. Denominators are equal. So 4 or 5 is bigger. 5 is bigger. So 5/5 is equal to what? 1. So 5/5 is greater. Next, D question. 3/5 and 3/7. 3/5 and 3/7. Numerators are equal, but it is having the different denominators. When numerators are equal, what we want to do? Numerator equal ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്താ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? The bigger denominators is having the smaller value. Bigger denominator ന് കുഞ്ഞു വാല്യൂ ആയിരിക്കും. Smaller denominator is having a big value. So we will put the sign according like this. Okay. These are the second question answers. Moving on to the third question. So we want to make 5 more such pairs and we want to put the appropriate signs. So it's your own duty. You want to make 5 more these type of questions and put the appropriate sign for it. Okay. In the extra questions of this chapter, I will be posting all the new doing things, and there will be Google Forms and MCQs. Okay. So we are concluding the second question here. We are not taking the third question now. We'll be discussing it later. And then fourth question, look at the figures and write less than, greater than, or equal to between the given pairs of fractions. ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഒരു ഫിഗേഴ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ, ഒത്തിരി ഫിഗേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട് റൂളർ പോലെ. റൂളർ പോലുള്ള ഫിഗേഴ്സിൻ്റെ അവിടെയും നിങ്ങൾ ചിഹ്നം ഇടണം. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് യുവർ ഓൺ ഡ്യൂട്ടി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു ഡു ഇൻ ദ ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഏറ്റവും ആ ഒരു ഫിഗേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ താഴെയായിട്ട് എ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 1/6 and 1/3. 1/3. Then B question is what? 3/4 and 2/6. 3/4 and 2/6. Next C question, that is what? 2/3 and 2/4. 2/3 and 2/4. 2/3 and 2/4. D question is what? 6/6. You want to compare these ones, okay? And 3/3. Next one is what? 5/6. E is 5/6 and 5/5. So നമ്മളിപ്പം appropriate sign ഇടാൻ തുടങ്ങാം. 1/6 or 1/3. 1/3 is greater. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? ന്യൂമറേറ്റേഴ്സ് സെയിം, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റും ന്യൂമറേറ്റേഴ്സ് സെയിം ആയിട്ട് വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഗ്രേറ്റർ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിനായിരിക്കും സ്മോളർ വാല്യൂ ഉള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇസ് 3/4 and 2/6. How will we do 3/4 and 2/6? അപ്പം ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു നേരത്തെ തന്നെ. ആ മെത്തേഡ് എന്തായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. 3/4 and 2/6 കേസ് വരുമ്പോൾ ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. 4 into 2 that is 8 and 3 into 6 that is 18. ഓക്കെ, അത് കഴിയുമ്പം 18 ആണോ 8 ആണോ വലുതെന്ന് നോക്കുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഇറ്റ്സ് 18. സോ 2/6 is greater than 4/3. So which one? Sorry, I just got a mistake here. 3/4 is greater than 2/6. Okay, 3/4 is greater than 2/6. So it's like this. The appropriate sign here is like this. Okay, so next one is this is the method how to. The next question is 2/3 and 2/4. That is 2/3 is greater one. Next is 6/6 and 3/3. Which one? Yes, it's equal to, because they have the same value. Okay, 6/6 is equal to 1 and 3/3 is equal to 1. So they have the same value. Then 5/6 and 5/5. So we want to cross multiply. 6 5s are, first we can, here we are writing is 5 5s are, and here 5 6 are. 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. So 30 is greater. So 5 by 5 and 6 by 5. So which one is greater? Oh. Here 5 by 5 and here 5 by 6. Which one is greater? Five by 5 is greater. So 5 by 5 is greater. Okay. So this is the answers of that question. This is very simple questions. Please work out 2 times this question. So you can please work out these 2 questions 2 times. So you can understand more, that you won't have any confusion between it. I didn't have much confusions, but it is clear for me. And I'm just telling with my mouth, so it is going troubled in my mind. So that's not problem. You work out these 2 questions 2 times in your rough book. So you should have an idea of what these questions are. Okay. So next is the 5th question, that is, how quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign. A is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. A is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Which one is greater? 1 by 2 is greater. B is 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. So and cross multiply 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. 3 6 are, so 3 4s are 12 and 2 6 are 12. So 12 is equal to 12. So both are equivalent. So put equal to. Next is C. 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. We want to cross multiply 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 2 5s are 10. So 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. Okay, got it. One more question we will do here. I have space here. D question, 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. Try to do yourself the questions along with this video. Four into 2 നോക്കണം, 3 into 8 നോക്കണം. 4 into 2 എത്രയാണ്? 8. 8 into 3 24. 24 is greater. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 8. Okay. 3 by 4 is greater. So ഇവിടെ വായിച്ചിട്ട് I will write the next ones here. So next E, F, G, H. Try to do it yourself. I'm going to show. I'm going to only put the appropriate signs for it. 3 by 5 and 6 by 5. They are like fractions. We can simply decide that 6 by 5 is greater. Then 7 by 9 and 3 by 9. They are also like fractions. So 7 by 9 is greater. 1 by 4. 2 by 8. They are equal. That is 4 2s are 8 and 1 8s are 8. So they are equal. Next is 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. 6 5s are 30 and 10 4s are 40. So 4 by 5 is greater. Next question, two more questions are there. I will write it here. I question, that is 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. 8 3s are 24 and 7 4s are 28. So 7 by 8 is greater. So J, and one more question, K is also there, isn't it? Yes. So the J question is 6 by 10. 6 by 10 and 3 by 5. 6 by 10 and 3 by 5. 6 5s are 30. They are equal, okay. 10 3s are also 30. Next is 5 by 7 and 15 by 21. 15 by 21 and 5 by 7. 15 7s are 105 and 21 5s are 105. So they are also equivalent. So I think you got the answers of the fifth question also. Tomorrow I will be with the new section of this chapter. Today I reminded from this section. Tomorrow we will be discussing 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions. So take care. Bye bye.